Hello friends and welcome to our channel. If you guys facing AW snap something went wrong while displaying this page error code status stack buffer overrun problem while using Google Chrome, so watch this video till end because in this video I am showing you why this problem is coming. So follow these steps, and if you guys new on my channel you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel because in this video I am showing you the fixes. So try these fixes one by one. Number 1, restart PC. Simple restart can fix temporary memory errors. Number 2, disable Chrome extensions. Open Chrome, then type Chrome/extensions. Disable all extensions and then restart Chrome. Number 3, clear Chrome cache. Chrome, then settings, then privacy and security, then clear browsing data. Select cache image or files, then cookies, clear data. Number 4, update Chrome. Open Chrome/settings/help, update Chrome if available. Number 5, turn off hardware acceleration. Chrome settings, then system, disable use hardware acceleration when available. Relaunch Chrome. Number 5, run Chrome without sandbox. Right click Chrome shortcut, then properties. In target field add these codes. Number 7, reset Chrome. Go to Chrome/settings/reset. Click restore settings to original defaults. Number 8, check antivirus. Some antivirus apps cause this crash. Temporarily disable antivirus and test Chrome. Number 9, reinstall Chrome. Reinstall Chrome completely, delete leftover folder and install latest Chrome again. And number 10, run Windows repair commands. Open command prompt as administrator and run this code, and then this code, and after this, if the issue happens only on one website, that website may be crashing Chrome itself. I hope guys these fixes helps you. If you guys having any other problem you can comment me. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.